Hi everyone and welcome back to Skrach. Today I'm going to show you how to make spanakopita, a delicious Greek spinach pie. It's crispy, it's cheesy, and it's full of flavor. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this we'll need 3 green onions, 2 eggs, a pound of spinach, a pound of phyllo dough, 5 tablespoons of olive oil divided, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of dried dill, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of dried mint, and 12 ounces of crumbled feta cheese. To start, we'll need to rinse our green onion, parsley, and spinach in the sink. Then we need to wilt our spinach on the stovetop over medium heat in about 1 tablespoon of our oil, stirring occasionally for about 10 minutes. Once wilted, we'll let it drain in the sink. While the spinach is draining, we'll thinly slice our green onions and sauté them with our tablespoon of garlic over medium heat and another tablespoon of our oil. As our green onion and garlic cook, we'll squeeze as much water as we can out of the spinach by wringing it out with a kitchen towel. Then we'll add our spinach back to the pot with our 2 teaspoons lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon dill, quarter teaspoon pepper, and quarter teaspoon of mint. We'll stir this until well combined and remove the spinach mixture from the heat and let it cool for about 20 minutes. While we wait for the spinach to cool, we need to preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the leaves from our parsley, and finely chop it until we have about 2 tablespoons. After the spinach has finished cooling, we'll beat our 2 eggs and mix in our spinach, chopped parsley, and feta cheese. This will be the filling for our spanakopita. Now we need to assemble our spanakopita. Using our remaining oil, we'll lightly brush the sides and bottom of a 9x13 inch casserole dish with some of our oil, then place 1 sheet of phyllo dough on the bottom and coat it with additional oil. We need to repeat this process until half of the dough is used. Then we'll spread our filling evenly over the phyllo dough and fold the edges over the filling. We'll cover this with more phyllo dough and continue to alternate between phyllo and oil until all the dough is used. We'll brush the final layer of phyllo dough with oil and gently tuck in any overhang. Finally, we'll bake our spanakopita for 1 hour in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until golden and crispy. We'll let it rest for about 10 minutes before cutting into pieces and serving. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.